This is Janet from Cottage Sage, and I wanted to show you today what I'm going to do with the pesto that we made just the other day. So I have my ingredients for dinner. We're going to have flounder with a light pesto sauce and tomato and onion, and I'm going to put that right under the broiler. Alright, so I have my jar of pesto, and I just want to use probably for the 3 pieces of fish we're going to work with, a little less than a 1/4 cup of pesto. And I'm going to thin that out to make a sauce with a little extra olive oil and some lemon juice. And we're just going to smooth that together. Okay, that looks good. So 3 pieces of flounder, skin side down so it doesn't curl. Just make that fit. And so my first layer is the pesto, and I'm just going to divide up what I made amongst the 3 pieces. Okay. And then tomato and onion on top. I might make up some green beans to serve on the side with this. Okay, and the onion I'm using is a Vidalia onion. Just put some of that on there. And I'll probably top this with a little bit of Parmesan cheese and then just run it under the broiler for, gosh, not very long at all, just a few minutes. And that will be dinner tonight. There. Okay. So thank you for joining. I would love to hear from you in the comment section. Let me know what you're doing with the pesto that I hope you have made. And be sure to like and share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.